heart is getting worse. I am my morale is going down. Anyway, I'm in this cold ass weather over here. I'm in Pennsylvania. I'm in New Jersey right now, right outside of Pennsylvania. But my tire, I'm at the shipper. I went to the shipper to go get my load. I'm doing some JB Hunt loads now. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about those JB Hunt loads in a little bit after this. But went to the JB Hunt load, did my pre-trip inspection, and my front tire is showing metal. And you know you don't want to drive your stair tires with any kind of metal in it. And I'm nervous of driving it, so I came to a TNA to get my tire repaired. My steering wheel has been shaking too, so I think I need an alignment. I'm just wondering how much it's going to cost me or how much it's going to set me back. You spend a lot of money out here on the road, man. I wish I could use this money to freaking buy me some new J's or something. PS5 or something. You want to see the tire? Want to see how bad the tire is? Let's go see. Show you the tire, dog. Still waiting at the door for this guy to come look at my truck. He still hasn't come yet. But this is the tire, if you can see it properly. This is the tire in question. Look at these lumps on my wheel. See the lumps on the wheel? Anyway, if you look from it afar, look at it from afar, you kind of see the wear on it. There's different sets of wear. The wear on top, see the wear on top, and the wear right here, it's all different. But here it comes. The guy's here to go look at my tire. Give me a second. Let's check you out. All right, so I'm about to pull into the bay door, and they're gonna give me the cost. They said I need 2 new tires, and that I need I might need a balance. So that just that's cool. 2 new tires. 2 new tires. So let's see how much that's gonna cost me. So I'm back, guys. I took the hoodie off because I'm so hot already. I don't care how cold it is out here. My head is so hot right now. So I had to get my tire replaced, right? And I had to get an alignment. And on my tire, there's a hub seal in the front of your tire. And your hub seal is like, you truckers know what a hub seal is. It was on my stair tire. My left driver's side hub seal was, on my passenger side hub seal was leaking really bad. And I had to get that replaced. So the grand total was $1,085. Yo, that hurts, man. It's getting kind of cold now. I gotta put my helmet back on. But it hurts. It hurts. You know what I could know with that money? But one thing that is good is that increases my longevity on the road, because having my truck break down or tire pop, blow out on the road, and having it towed and having it all that other stuff, that costs way more money. But a rack, dropped a rack on my truck. It's rough. That's one good thing about driving with another company, is that you don't have to worry about none of this expense You don't have to worry about none of this expense if you're driving with a company. You just drop the truck off, have them replace it. You might be sitting for a couple of days, but bam. But when you own your truck and you own your authority, it is all expense on me, and it sucks. It sucks. Not even making that much money already, and having to pay out that much money. It hurts. But I'm on a load right now, so I'm on a JB Hunt load. They're loading up my preloaded trailer. Once it gets loaded, I'm gonna run over there and pick up that trailer. I think it should be loaded by now. My truck should be almost done, and I need to pick that load up and drop it off so I can get paid. That will that will at least give me my money back. But I was hoping to use that money for other bills, you know. But anyway, that's the update. Truck is being looked at. It's being aligned right now because it was shaking and it was moving a lot. So that probably caused my tire to go bad so quickly. So yeah, you gotta check all those things, man. That pre-trip inspection is very important because if I didn't do my pre-trip inspection this morning, I wouldn't have looked at my tires, and I would not have seen that the metal was showing. And I still had 500 miles to go before I got to North Carolina. So I didn't want to drive no 500 miles on a truck like that. Silver lining is that I'm getting my laundry done, so I'll have another sweater to wear. So that's one thing, and I got something to eat. Living off a budget, yo. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta thank God that it could have been worse. I mean, I could be pissed off, I could be mad right now and upset and be in a bad mood, but I know that I could have blown out my tire on the road, and blowing out your tire on the road could be deadly. I could have died, you know, or I could have killed a lot of people or hurt a lot of people. So I thank God that I'm able to have the funds to take care of all that needs to be taken care of, and that just puts my maintenance a little bit ahead of schedule on my truck, because I wasn't planning on doing the alignment, but I was able to do the alignment and get the hub seal taken care of. So that's one thing that's going to keep my truck running for the next 6 months to a year. But expenses, you got to deal with it. Problems, you got to deal with it. There's a lot of things you got to go through, but you got to go through it to get through it. You can't avoid the problems. If you always avoid the problems, you're never gonna get through it. So I'm getting through this. You guys gotta pray for me, you know, keep me in your prayers, because your boy out here trying to make it out here, and you know, I'm missing my kids, missing my babies. Every day I see them on video, but it's hard. I know y'all truckers out there know it's hard out there, and I see y'all out there. We all doing the same thing, man. We trying to hold it together. But be safe out there. I'm gonna come back with another video after I get out of New York or wherever I'm at, Pennsylvania. All right, yo, peace. Stay warm. So I'm at the shipper right now picking up my load, but look at this pretty little lake right beside a little stream. You don't see that in Florida, man. You don't just see that type of stuff in Orlando or nothing. But yeah, I'm about to pick up my JB Hunt trailer right now. I'm gonna give you a little bit more. I'll let you know about JB Hunt a little bit later, because they get ready to move my trailer and I gotta go get it and get out of here. So y'all know how that is. It's all about timing, man. You gotta go and make that money. I gotta get on the road. I got 500 miles to go to do tonight. 500 miles. So let's go get it. All right, y'all. Peace. Yo, so a little recap for what happened today. Of course, I had a little issue with my vehicle. Had to get it fixed. I got my load at JB Hunt. Not JB Hunt. I got my load from that from the shipper. It's a JB Hunt load. I'll talk to you about that JB Hunt load situation later. Maintenance is part of the game, I guess. Lost a lot of money today, and it still hurts. Still thinking about it. I was gonna wrap up the video already, but part of my mind when I was driving, I was like, yo, this dude told me it was one price, then he told me he couldn't fix something, and then he told me it was the same price. I'm like, so how come it's almost the same price and you didn't fix that thing? You might as well have fixed it and make it be that same price. But I was paying for his labor. And that kind of hurt. I mean, you know what? I understood it. But, sometimes when it comes to mechanics, you feel like you're going to get ripped off sometimes. And it's a bad feeling, but you feel like you might be getting ripped off, or how come it's that much? But I realized as a personal trainer, people could say the same thing about me. Oh man, how can you charging me so much, man? Time is money, yo. And that dude did spend his time on it. He did spend his expertise on my thing. I wouldn't know how to do it. The tools that they used to fix it, they did it. They got it done. I didn't have the tools for it. So instead of feeling salty, I had to realize that I should be grateful, And that's the reason why I came back on here, because I was feeling real salty, and I had a teaching moment. You know what I mean? I had a teaching moment for myself to really understand that maintenance gonna be the cost. If I can't fix it myself, I gotta pay the cost to get it fixed. And I have to realize that, and not try to cut corners. As an owner operator, as a person who owns their own authority, you have to take that cost. Hold on, I'm coming in. Yeah, you have to take that cost, because that light's too bad, right? Let's get this light back here. Well, that light's not good either. Let me take you back here, guys. Come on, let's go back here. Come on, man. Let's go, man. Stop complaining. You rocking with me right now. Give me a second. Rock with me for a second. Alright, it's whatever, yo. Alright, so I try to get the light in. See if I get see all my sides of my face lit up. Alright, so basically it's gonna cost you a lot of money to maintain your truck. Like I said before, just suck it up and pay it, right? Suck it up and pay it. And the reason why I'm so salty about it is I'm broke right now. Broke. Got to get to North Carolina tomorrow, and broke, man. Of course, we got emergency funds and stuff like that. But the emergency funds need funds too now. But anyway, keep your heads up. I see a lot of truck drivers out there, a lot of truck drivers on YouTube. I follow them now because I want to see what they be up to, and I follow other truckers. Couple of girl truckers. I realize a lot of these girl truckers, they got these little sassy pictures that they got on their thumbnails, and they be having like 11,000 views. I'm not mad. People say I'm mad sometimes. I'm not mad. I mean, it's very appealing to see a woman trucker, because it's such a tough job. And to see a woman still staying womanly and able to be a trucker is a cool deal. I mean, I give them props. It's not an easy job, but if you can suck up the hard work and just do it, anyone can do it. I told my wife, I'm like, hey babe, why don't you just CDL license? She was like, you think I can pull around this truck? And I said, babe, I've seen little girls pull around these big old trucks, so I know you can do it. So but yeah. Anyways, props. I give all y'all props. All you truckers, not only women, all the truckers out there doing their thing. Props, yo. It's hard. But we doing it. We getting through it. And I have a video of my reefer. I'm gonna talk to you about that later. Cut video. I'm gonna give y'all some more stuff later. All right. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened to my other trailer. But all right, yo. Peace.